Ifasta trust athandaza sutyhafa ndamthemba ukhona uThixo uzokunceda suyeka bafuna ilife yakho suqasha slicer yekela utywala uzobhayiza lahla walimala sebakubulala kudala sikhule besixelela ngengqeqesho eqala edladleni ngoku umntwana uyakhula umthakathi ulapha endlini sebemkhomba esitratweni umakhelwane usengxakini kodwa ukufa kusembizeni family ngabalevi sebedlalela ekudeni sekutheni nje buthanda yibi binguwe khanxelela ubuzwa uthini uzothi usebhadini xa bekungcwabele egadini sebekubhala esincwadini tyhini u-LV ukhule nini sancuku xa ngomphanga sisavuka kwasekuseni ebembeqala ucimba from uzama ungena entweni jongapho kwesibini akusafana unqombile ngawo lo sadliwa wabini kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile izothi life xa emile sebegcwele itafile abantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile kuphithizela umamekasi sebekera itapile abantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile izothi life xa emile sebegcwele itafile ngabantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile kuphithizela befundisi bathi uThixo uthathile siyamazi umnqakathi ngumphakathi.
Yo, every festive season, while everybody's having fun, I be having none. Yo. We choose to forget, but forget to remember. That's why I hate being an elder. Sadness is a political part. I'm a member. Wherever you live, I hate you. December. We choose to forget, but forget to remember. That's why I hate being an elder. Sadness is a political part. I'm a member. Wherever you live, I hate you. December, 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 December. I hate you. December, 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 December. I hate you. December. Wrote this on my diary. People hate what they do, speak even anarchy. I hate you December, I'm not a pretender. If I get an RTP, I'll relocate if you become my neighbor. If I don't, I'll have trauma and anger. In my heart and mind, you are danger. Wish I could remove you from the calendar. School children will say October, November, and forever you are safe. Stole my happiness, let's go. We wanna fight. KO on the floor. You has died, should be yours. I wish this year could prove me wrong. December, 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 December. You took away stores and guards, and why? Other months almost took me via knife and gun. Should have been you who should have died. On November, all my relationships. And you make me sad. All these years I've been unwell. To other people, you are a holiday every day. Others rest, some doing peace. On this month, for me, no sex, only kiss. What the heck, you bent my check. You only make me fed. You seen this as this good guy. To close ones make me sad. Goodbye to people. Always the process of being a man. We choose to forget, but forget to remember. That's why I hate being an elder. Sadness is a political part. I'm a member. Wherever you live, I hate you. December. We choose to forget, but forget to remember. That's why we're wrong. Judgment Day, I wish you could burn in hell in flames. Okay,
kwehlabathi cwela inkutsela zabathakathi hey ningasithakathi kasiyekelele nathi siphilela umphakathi hey asilehlabathi cela kuthixo angasithathi ngekasithathi nombutho walabangcwaba sikohafu singafiyeni sibnisoko ezulwini khani yacoka niyasifoka emophuphini omoya siyanibona never nasikhona sesikhona nesigoba sebatsha jongulutsha lubuyele emuva luva lusenza istering sobomi kwinsomi anamahloni and uthixo anumboni kodwa niyaza nimkhoni nibhizi nasenzeni asilinga for ntoni sebamthathile bamthakathile abathile sikwatile nanifanga nirhawukile kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile izothi life uxinile sebegcwele itafile ngabantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile kuphithizela umamekasi sebekera itapile abantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile izothi life uxinile sebegcwele itafile ngabantu kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda xa ufile kuphithizela befunisi bathi uthixo uthathile kodwa bamthathile abathile nathi sikwatile mane nanifanga nirhawukile muthi nirhafile khona manyanyani ke rest in peace LV rest in peace Molly G return if it's possible bafethu ngona thina siyanazi khona sinithanda manyanyani namanje khona yizo lezo kulo mhlaba bazokuthanda